Alright, so no shortcuts. You could already tell by the title that there is something wrong with the FRS. Now, in our previous video, we just got the car running. Everything seemed to be going great. I currently have some wrap coming in that matches this paint perfectly, so we're gonna be doing the front bumper, but that's not the issue. The issue is that the engine, there's something wrong with it. So, the other day, the check engine light came on. The code was a P00A, which means it is this oil control valve right here. And obviously you could tell that there's markings on a bunch of random sensors. So to diagnose it, we swapped both control valves from one side to the other, as well as some other random sensors, and the code still came up. And a P0011 came up, which means that the Bank 1 intake cam phaser went bad. Huge shout out to Kaiju Motorsports for diagnosing the vehicle, and they hooked it up to their scanner and said the cam phaser unfortunately is slow. So it looks like that the cam phaser isn't completely lost, but they said that looking at the graphs, it is definitely slow response. That means we have to take off the front timing cover, replace the timing chain, the cam phaser, which basically actuates the variable valve timing. So the car went into limp mode and it drives like piss. So we currently have a bill of $3,200. That's for all 4 cam phasers, timing chain, tensioners, random O-rings, and resealing the front timing cover. So here's my options. What I can do is I can sell the car as is, or I can try and part out some of the parts that this thing has, like the wheels, the coilovers, the shifter, the IRP short shifter, and put that money towards repairing the engine. Or I can just sell it as is and try to get as much money out of it as I can. So I'm currently not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm thinking if I get rid of the parts, I revert it back to stock like how I originally planned, I can try to fund for the engine. If not, I could just sell it completely stock and try to make back some money that I lost out of it. But hey, we live and learn. I was expecting this car to be a little bit longer lived than a couple months. So I would really hate to sell this thing. But in case you don't know, this car has KW coilovers with gritty top hat, Parts Shop Max lower control arms, Forge Star F14 wheels with some nice Michelin tires, IRP short shifter, and some Koki taillights. So if I could sell all these parts for around $2,000, that would honestly fund for almost the entire engine. So that means I would have to come out $1,200 out of pocket for the repair. I don't know, time will tell, we will see. So I think for now, we'll be stripping the car out. So with that being said, let's revert this car completely back to stock. Got the stock shock with the stock lower control arm. Let's get this in. All right, so we got the lower control arms and the full set of coilovers off the car. Now it looks like a monster truck with the stock wheels. We are gonna have to put the wrap onto the car because, like I said, I found a wrap that matches the 37J paint perfectly. But we got the whole car disassembled. I have the reverse light wiring harness on the car because the previous owner cut it for the cut diffuser. We have the rear Cusco strut brace off the car. We have the rear carpet. We got an extra horn, windshield reservoir from the junkyard, and we're gonna be selling the wheels and suspension so I could fund the engine repair. So I'm hoping that with all these parts, reverting it back to stock completely and getting the motor fixed up 100%, this car will be running great and it'll look great. But for now, it looks like this and it's gonna have to sit like this, unfortunately. This was all a part of the plan. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out.